In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of an automation bot I've built to streamline your real estate data tasks. This bot combines manual input and automation to give you flexibility and control. You begin with a few simple steps, and the bot takes care of the rest, efficiently and accurately. First, the bot will automatically open your browser and take you to the website where you want to work. From there, you'll log in manually using your credentials. This keeps your login secure. Next, you'll apply all the necessary filters manually according to your requirements. Once the filtered results are displayed, open the first listing in the list. At this point, you'll see a prompt. Press Enter to hand over control to the bot. Once you do, the bot takes over from there. The bot will close any unnecessary tabs, navigate through each listing, and extract essential information such as the price, size, address, and GPS coordinates. As the bot processes each listing, you'll see the extracted data displayed in real time. After all listings are processed, the bot compiles the information into an organized Excel sheet with clearly labeled columns for each data point. Each time you run the bot, it generates a unique Excel file. You can also adjust the filters as needed for different searches. Thank you for watching this demonstration. The bot automatically extracts data and organizes it into a clean, well-structured Excel sheet. Each entry includes price, size, address, and GPS coordinates, ready for immediate use. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.